Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're continuing with our clock face model, which I obviously misspelled, so clock face model. And we're going to, at this point, add the hour and minute marks. So when you look up at the tool ribbon, you'll find there are multiple choices for rectangles. We're going to go ahead and use the center point rectangle, which is R on your keyboard. And we're going to align that with the origin. So hover over the origin, bring on down, and click below the origin when you see the yellow pre-highlight, and hook it up and create your rectangle. We're going to make that rectangle 1/4 inch wide by 1 inch tall. You can also escape out of the tool and use the dimension tool to give it sizes. Right now you can see the rectangle has a size, but its location is still not fully defined. They can move up and down, but not side to side. To fix this, we're going to add a dimension from the center point of the circle to the center point of the rectangle. So I'm going to tap my D key on my keyboard, or select the dimension tool from the ribbon above, click on the origin, click on the center point of my rectangle, and I'm going to type in the value that I would like. At this point, we're ready to go ahead and make the circular pattern. This would be difficult to do without the circular pattern tool, so this is why it exists. We'll escape out of the current tool by tapping the escape key on the keyboard. I'm going to use the blue selection box by dragging from the left to the right and grab just my rectangle. At this point, we'll go up and get the circular pattern tool from the tool ribbon. The circular pattern tool is going to be located under a drop-down menu and does not have a shortcut key. We'll click and release on the circular pattern. Zoom out slightly so that I can see the instance number, the X value. I'm going to change the 3X to 12 and hit the enter key to take that. You will notice that it looks like it's incomplete, but it's not. It's just only previewing some of it to tell you which direction it's going. I'm going to click in white space to accept the circular pattern. Now everything looks really great, but unfortunately only one of my instances is fully constrained, the original. The others can still move. The reason is that it assumed the center point, but we didn't confirm that. So to confirm that, we just give a little wiggle, grab the center point, and let it go on the origin. And now we have completed the clock face sketch. This is all you need to create the animated clock assembly that you see here. Good luck, have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.